Yeah, yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with them chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my app and I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So we have some lamb meat right here. We're about to go ahead and season it up and do our thing right here in this good kitchen. And all my good family and friends that support your boy channel, I appreciate you. For real way. For real. Okay, so here go our lamb meat. Now we go ahead and put our cut up bell peppers in there, some white onion, we got some mushrooms also, put them mushrooms in. We got some baby spinach, add our baby spinach also. And now we're gonna go ahead and give it a light seasoning. Some of that slap your mama in there. And some of that good dash. Now we're going to add our cream cheese. So we'll add 2 packs of cream cheese. Okay, so we have everything mixed in. Now I'm going to go ahead and, put in our little bag. Like this here. Everything going in the bag. Okay, so we have our Manicotti noodles. We'll go ahead and stuff them bad boys. Okay, so here we go right here. We will add our spaghetti sauce. Just like that there. We'll cover that with some aluminum foil. Put it in the oven on 375. We don't need to add no water. Okay, so here we go right here. An hour. It's all done. Noodles done. We got some Colby Jack cheese right here. Let's go ahead and place that Colby Jack cheese on there. Get it everywhere. Throw it in the oven so that cheese can melt. Oh, that's gonna be good. That's gonna be real good. Okay, so that's how we looking. It didn't have to go back in the oven. I just let it sit, let that meat, cheese, everything come together. We're about to put it on a nice plate. Let it sit for 12 minutes. And we'll close this wonderful video. I hope y'all enjoy. Colby Jack cheese. Okay, so here we go right here. I done put it together. Got that stuffed Manicotti noodles. That lamb meat. And when I say this is fire, this is fire. That came out, man, lovely. Made it happen right here in this good kitchen. Yup, sure did. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And don't forget, hit that like button. A lot of y'all been forgetting to hit that like button. Give your boy a sad face over here. You know what I mean? All that good work I put in. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice. Support your boy. It's not hard. It's all free.